Experiencing glitches with your Scania infotainment system? Here's how to reset it. First, understand the difference between a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot, or soft reset, restarts the system without erasing your data, ideal for minor issues like frozen screens. A factory reset restores the system to its original settings, wiping all personal data and settings. Use this only when a reboot doesn't solve the problem, and back up any important data beforehand. Park your Scania and turn off the ignition before proceeding with either method to prevent issues with other vehicle systems. For a reboot, on many models, you can hold the power button until the system restarts. For a factory reset on older models, try accessing a hidden service menu by holding the power and volume buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds, then navigating to factory reset. Newer models may have this option in the settings menu or require diagnostic software like Scania's SDP3. If your Scania infotainment screen isn't working, start with basic checks. Ensure the vehicle is parked and the ignition is off. Check the fuses related to the infotainment system. A blown fuse is a common cause. Inspect the wiring connections at the back of the unit for any looseness or damage. If the screen is still unresponsive, try a hard reboot by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for about 5 minutes, then reconnecting it. For extreme climate issues, like condensation in cold environments, consider using a desiccant kit as recommended by Scania. If these steps don't work, the issue might be hardware-related, potentially requiring professional diagnostics. Scania's diagnostic software, SDP3, can help identify error codes. Note that in 2025, Scania issued TSB number 2025-03 regarding hardware inspections for units exposed to temperatures above 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, unauthorized repairs can void your warranty, so consulting a Scania technician is recommended for complex issues.